Good afternoon from Milano Lab. Here at Mago today we are showcasing you a real use case of Mago Director. So we have here a normal set, so I'm alone, there is no assistant, so we have a device here connected with the output to my capture card, to my Mac. And then we have this amazing camera of our friend of Insta360 and my iPhone here connected wirelessly to Mago Director as capture camera. So this camera is capturing this dry erase board. And now I want to connect everything automatically and streaming out to Teams call or Zoom call. Today we have a Teams call, of course, and I will show you live with the digital whiteboard and the physical whiteboard bring it together. So stay tuned. Here we go. So I'm starting a Teams meeting, and as default camera here we have Mago Director selected. So our virtual driver is behind the peripheral. And now I'm able to see myself from this camera. So it's this external camera. And of course, thanks to this button, so the floating menu, I'm in the preset number 3, that is a new feature in Mago Director. I can change preset. An example, I want to show the capture card and is live in Teams now, and I want to show both, so camera, external camera and capture card. How you can create a preset? It's easy. So you go in manual, you see P1, P2, P3, P4 into the Pro version of Mago Director, and you can also add with the QR code external publisher, web or iOS or Android or Mac or Windows, or just peripheral connected to the device. When you keep and hold the preset, you can select which device, which camera you want to connect to the same preset. And if there are multiple cameras, you can also select automatic, and is switching with automatic direction without having an assistant to support you. And you can also add even here more cameras from IP and with Mago Director Publisher available for web and available for iOS, Android and Windows and Mac. Saving, here we go. Now you can move between preset 1, preset 2, preset 3 and preset 4. Preset 4, I just added this whiteboard. So there is a capture camera live, and if you see here, there is the dry erase board, the flip chart, and here is live. Seems like a normal picture. So in this iPhone, I have a web publisher application called Mago Director, and is capturing the whiteboard. So it's connected, it's on air, and I just calibrated the area with the setting of the whiteboard, so and everything is live. And so what's next? My colleague now is moving in front of the capture dry erase board, and what you see here is the effect ghost effect. So he's behind the writing, but it's not everything here. Into the floating menu, I can open a digital canvas. And when I open digital canvas, a web page is opening on my Mac, and the stream is still live to the remote attendees. So and now I have a physical to digital. So this is the live, this is what the camera is capturing, and I can hit share button, and is automatically generating a shareable link, and you can copy the invite. So now my colleague is connected. I pasted the link of the board, and she's also seeing a live whiteboard, but she is able to request to connect to my whiteboard. Here you see a pop-up, and she's now in read-only, view-only. So now Veronica is able to draw, and you see here now we are writing digital to physical. So now you can write. Here we go. So, and then I can move, and also this physical is possible to be moved. And if you want to create a snapshot, then you have a copy here, and then you can
move the stroke, move the part that you want.
For more information, stay tuned on mago.eu. Thank you.